GFCI outlet is not allowed for Whirlpool tub installations according to the National Electrical Code. Firstly, GFCI outlets are not horsepower rated, meaning they cannot handle the high current draw of a Whirlpool motor. Secondly, Whirlpool motors often draw significant current during startup. This can cause the GFCI outlet to trip prematurely, interrupting the operation of the tub. Thirdly, if the GFCI outlet trips while the tub is in use, it could expose the user to a potential electric shock hazard. The National Electrical Code requires that Whirlpool tubs be protected by either a GFCI circuit breaker or a separate GFCI device that is appropriately rated for the motor load. This protective device should be installed on the line side, which is upstream of the disconnect switch or circuit breaker that controls the tub. There are several reasons why a GFCI circuit breaker is the preferred choice. 1. GFCI circuit breakers are designed specifically to protect against electrical faults in wet locations, and this includes bathrooms. 2. GFCI circuit breakers are rated for specific horsepower loads. This ensures they can reliably handle the current draw of a Whirlpool motor without issue. 3. GFCI circuit breakers are designed with a higher threshold for current draw compared to GFCI outlets. This reduces the risk of nuisance tripping during normal operation of the tub. Using a GFCI outlet in this situation is not code compliant and can create a safety hazard. Always use a GFCI circuit breaker for Whirlpool tub installations to ensure reliable protection and prevent potential electrical shocks. The GFCI circuit breaker provides the necessary protection and meets the code requirements for this type of application.